So today we're going to talk about the top 10 avoidable spray equipment problems, okay? And my goal today is to help you reduce your equipment problems. We see lots of equipment problems that are totally avoidable. I mean, completely avoidable, and that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to try to help you reduce your repair expenses in repairing this equipment and also reduce downtime, because almost every repair results in significant downtime. And we have a company called Quality Equipment and Spray on our website, qspray.com, and we fix pest control, weed control equipment all day, every day. And when we started looking at it, we noticed lots of common themes and common causes of these spray equipment problems. And what we realized is a lot of them, I mean, I would say well over half of the problems we see are completely avoidable, okay? And so what I've tried to do is put them in categories so that they're easy to remember and easy to follow. And I'm going to share those with you today, and hopefully we'll save you some time and save you some money, and really just increase your awareness so you know how to start looking at equipment to anticipate problems and prevent problems. Because, you know, when my kids were little, I always used to say, hey, what's the easiest way to clean up a mess? You know, don't make it in the first place. And it's the same with your pest control or weed control equipment. So that's what we're going to talk about. A couple of preliminary ground rules. I'm going to share lots of examples. I got some really good photos of some problems and issues, but not everything I share is going to apply to you. So hopefully you'll find some things, you'll find some nuggets and learn some things. Some of the things I talk about are going to be the technician's responsibility to check, and some are going to be the employer's responsibility. So again, not everything applies to you. And some of the things we're going to talk about apply to a company with one vehicle, some apply to companies with many vehicles. So, you know, if it doesn't apply to you, just wait for the next one. I'm pretty sure you'll find something that's valuable. I hope you will anyway, okay? So let's get started. So the first point is start with the right components. Or as I used to be with American Express, and the executive vice president of marketing used to say, you can't make chicken salad out of chicken. And that's one of the things we see all the time is companies selecting the wrong equipment or the wrong components. And I've got some examples.